Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. This is Motola OLOWOSIBI, and today we'll be making how to make fried meat pie, and the remnants will be used to make chips. That is what we'll be making today. So sit, get your chilled drink, and let's learn how to make fried crunchy meat pie. Hear the sound. Ingredients: 4 cups of multi-purpose flour, sieve into a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix to combine. Add 170 grams of your butter or margarine. And mix to form crumbs. Add 1 cup of cold water mixed with half tablespoon of milk. Add it gradually and form a dough. Wrap with a clear film and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, roll it out, cut into shapes with whatever you have, then add your filling into it. If you want to watch the way I made this filling, kindly check my video out on how to make baked meat pie without pot. I showed how I made the filling step by step. The link to the video will be dropped at the description box, also at the suggested video. So I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of this video. Stay tuned, watch to the end and enjoy it. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Add the filling at the center, then use a water to brush the side of your dough that has been cut out. Also put your fork into a flour and use it to pin it down at the side. You dip your fork into a flour or into oil or into egg. Then you use it to pin it down. Depending on the crust you want, you might want a larger crust. You also can give it a large crust. So this all our meat pie has been made already, so it's time to fry. Fry in a medium heat and let the oil be hot before you start frying. Fry till golden brown. See the inside that the filling is still moist. Don't forget to check out the video on how to make meat pie filling to get a moist meat pie filling. This is so yummy and so delicious. So now we'll be moving to how to make the remnant edges to make chips. Roll out the left edges like so. Then you just have to cut. You might use your scissors, or you can also use your knife. It don't have to be straight or have to be perfect. You can do it just as mine. Then we're going to be frying it in a medium heat till we achieve a golden brown, and that makes our chips. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment down at the comment section. Don't forget to also ask me to film any video you want me to be filming, and I will surely film that for you. And if you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe and kindly share with family and friends. Do have a lovely day. Enjoy and keep watching.